In today's world, AI is a powerful tool that can be used to make money. In this video, we'll show you how to unleash the power of AI and create your own income stream. The first step is to identify a problem that can be solved using AI. Look for a market that has a need for a solution that AI can provide. This could be anything from healthcare to finance. Next, research the market to understand the problem and how AI can solve it. This will help you create a solution that meets the needs of the target market. Once you have a solution, build a prototype to test it out. You can gather feedback from potential customers to refine your solution and make it better. Once your solution is tested and refined, it's time to market it. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to reach potential customers. As your solution gains traction, you can start to generate income. Some options include charging for access to the solution, licensing it, or even selling the entire business. In conclusion, creating a successful AI-based business takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. But by following these steps, you can unleash the power of AI and create your own income stream. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let's become the top 1%.